How to add video to Square website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a Square or a video to your Square website very easily. So we're going to head over squareup.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the dashboard. Now we are going to head over Square Online. So we are going to head over the left side of the screen. Click on the online, as you can see here, bar or the menu, and we are going to click on the online store. So basically it is going to be the website of yours. Wait for a few seconds and we are going to see the dashboard of that website. So here it is. Now what we're going to do is to open up the editor. Now what we're going to do basically is to click on edit site, and we're going to wait for the website editor to load up. Now what we're going to do basically is to wait for a few seconds until we are going to have the editor. Now here it is. What can we do basically is to click on the plus button on any page that we want. For example, here we are on the home page. Click on plus like that, and we're going to have section, page, element, and category. So we are going to add a section, and that section is going to be chosen. So for example, we are going to have some of the organized things. We're going to head over the organize. Click on video. You're going to have two layouts. Basically, we are going to have this layout, which is going to be having a bigger screen or picture of the video, and one with a small one, but with some of the text. So choose the most convenient one for you, for example, and here you have it. Now, when you are going to choose it and click away from that section or in the section, you're going to choose the source of the video. Either it is going to be from YouTube, like a YouTube URL, a custom, for example, by uploading a video, but this is going to be an upgradable option, so that means that you need to pay for it, the subscription for the Square Online, and this is it. Basically, you can go ahead and have it like that. You can show the player controls, enable the privacy enhanced mode, set up a start video, put the playback automatic, and etc. And here you go. So you can go ahead and control this section. As you can see, click on done when you have finished it. So you can go ahead also and take it maybe at the beginning. So we are going to find it here. So this is the section. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.